Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another advent calendar unboxing video.
Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
On the thumbnail, I am bringing you another Essence Advent Calendar, and I'm very excited about this. This is the Essence DIY Advent Calendar. Do more of what makes you merry. I purchased it from the German website called cosmeticsforless.de, and they do ship worldwide. So yeah, also they do offer free shipping, I believe, over certain amount, so 69 or 70 euros. So to be able to qualify for the free shipping, because the standard shipping is quite high, it's around 10 euros. Of course, I bought more, so I'm just going to show you what I got. I also got the Catrice Advent Calendar, the DIY Advent Calendar, because you know me, I love some Catrice. And also I got a mystery bundle. This was retailing for 15 euros. On the day when I purchased this one, they were running a promotion, so they had like site-wide 5% or up to 10% off, so I got this with some small discount. The same it's for the Catrice and for the mystery bundle. And because I opted to get a free shipping, basically this mystery bundle was only costing me around 2 euros. So yeah, right now they have this on the website, but they have increased it with 3 euros. It retails for 22.99 euros. I don't know why this increase on price, but anyway, I still believe that it's a good deal. So I wasn't going to get another Essence Advent Calendar, but when I've seen this one and I've seen the price, and also my recent Essence Advent Calendar unboxing got a lot of views, so I thought you like those type of Advent calendars, so for this reason I went and purchased it. So when I open it, it contains a list with all the products inside, and here you have the numbers. You will see why. You have those beautiful bags that are written "Happy Holidays. We wish you a very happy holidays." So you can customize, put the stickers with the numbers of the days, and you can do your own advent calendar, hence the name DIY. The products are just random inside like a normal box. We have a pair of French nails, click and go nails. So I suppose those are press-on nails, which are nice because they seems to be like a French manicure. The next product that I'm grabbing is a soft and precise lip pencil in the shade Made in Czech Republic, but I cannot see the shade. I'm going to have to list it on the screen, but oh, the shade is really nice, but the pencil doesn't seem to be very creamy. Maybe it's just because it was sitting longer, so it needs a sharpen. Then we have a 18-hour super last eyeliner, and this is waterproof. I believe I have heard good things about those liners. So you have a very long but flexible applicator. It's a hybrid between a brush and a felt tip, so I like this kind of things. I don't like the stiff one, so if it's flexible then it's good. Then we have a blush, which is called the blush. This is in the shade 50 Blooming. Very cute. And yeah, I can tell this one doesn't have any glitter. It's like a peachy pink. I will try to take some close-up when I'll have more natural light, because right now when I'm recording it's after 5 p.m. and it's quite dark. Till now we have 4 products. Next we have a cute set of sponge applicators. I believe this can be considered as a filling item if we were having a traditional advent calendar, but I can see those can be useful, especially if you want to apply glitter. So yeah, those are 5 pieces of cute sponge tip applicators. We have more than a couple of nail polishes, which probably are not my favorite thing from Essence, but I know someone that loves them, so I'm not going to swatch them. First we have the top coat with biodegradable shimmer. That's interesting. and it contains 80% natural ingredients. Okay, in this case I will consider to keep it if it is eco-friendly. Then we have the So French, So Perfect Beautifying Nail Polish. I suppose this can be used as a base coat or as a top coat. It's a light pink. Next we have a very beautiful orange, like a peachy orange shade. This is from their old collection. I recognize the bottle. Essence Shine Last and Go Gel Nail Polish. Endless Summer is the shade. And the last nail polish that we have is this very beautiful pastel green. It's in the same type of packaging with the same type of cap. And this is Everybody Say, I believe is the shade name. Then we have a very interesting product. Oh my god, what is that? This is the Forever Mermaid highlighting powder in mermaid design. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, you guys, I never had something like this, so I'm definitely thrilled about it. So so when you swatch it, it's very, how to say, toned down. It has just a natural or subtle shimmer, not the crazy color that you might expect. So I think this can be a very versatile product. Very intrigued about this, and I never see or heard anyone having or mentioning this one. I heard very good things about those glosses. This is the Shine 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 Wet Look Gloss. I'm going to list the shade. No, shade is Watch Me Do. Ooh, watch me swatching. So it's a nice mauvey pink, and it has a tad of a shimmer. Also has a nice sweet scent to it. Next we have a pair of lashes. Those are lash on, lash off volumizing magnet accent lashes. I do remember having a pair of these lashes. So they are clip-on magnetic lashes that you can attach them to your outer corner. Now let me tell you a story that several years ago I bought one of those pairs and I was not able to put them on. And then I bought similar ones from Catrice, and one pair was coming broken, the magnet was missing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and attempt to put those again on, and maybe this time I will be more successful given the fact that now I'm more wise. But guys, I'm seeing only full-size products, so this is fantastic. Then we have, oh my god, I was looking for this eyebrow gel and I couldn't find it here. So this is the eyebrow gel in the shade brown. So this is a shade that it will match me for sure. It's like a taupey brown. And next we have a lipstick in the semi-shine formula, the number 102 True Me. And this is the packaging, very simple. The shade is absolutely gorgeous. Now I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Here you have the E or the E from the Essence, because I tried to do a giveaway. I'm swimming in makeup from all the advent calendars, so I want to rather have some full-size products or products that I haven't opened. But this is a color, very wearable color. If I'm deciding that I have too many lip colors in this shade, I might just give it rather to someone else to enjoy it, because it will be waste in my collection. Then we have another gloss. Okay, I love this kind of color, but the same story. I will not open it, so it's the same type of the packaging like this one in purple, and this is in the shade Peachless and Cream. So also it has a nice shimmer to it. Then we have another gloss, or this is yeah, it's gloss. It's from a Plumping Nudes collection. In the shade it's That's Big. Okay, I am open this one. I'm going to open this one because I don't have anything from this collection. So this is the applicator, and this has more pigment to it. I will say that you can wear this alone without any other lipstick underneath, and it will still look opaque on your lips. Moving on, we have another lipstick from the same collection. So first we had the shade 102, now we have the shade 104, First Love. Ooh, the shade, it's even more on my alley because it has more red to it. So I will then at the end I will take a close up with all the shade. And I want to tell you guys that I love Essence lipstick formula. I have another lipstick from Essence which I love it. The last lipstick that we have, ooh, this is a darker shade for me. So this is called This Is Me 07. Ooh, this is a gorgeous shade. It's not that dark. But again, I'm not going to swatch it, so I would rather give it to someone else if I find that the shade it's not exactly my cup of tea. Then we have a nail stickers. Now we have a lot of nail stickers received in the advent calendars, but this is very nice because it has some constellation or yeah, moon and cute things. So I think they will make a beautiful statement. Of course, my ring light is reflecting, but I love them. They are unique and they are called Magic Spell nail stickers. Next we have a eyeshadow which is in the shade Soul. Highly pigmented and long lasting eyeshadow. It's like a charcoal and it's matte. Then we have a mascara which I never had. Super Curl Volume Mascara with eye-opening effect. I'm going to insert a picture with how the brush looks like, but we all know that Essence mascara are very, very good. Last three things are eyeliners. Ooh, what is this? This is a Thin Essence eyeliner pen. Oh, thin and thick, so 2-in-1 eyeliner pen. Oh, it's like a felt tip. And then you have a felt tip, so this is the difference. Yeah, this is very interesting. So you have a thin liner in one end and then thick liner. And we have two eyeliners. First is a long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Gold Bling, and they are 18-hour lasting and waterproof. Ooh, the shade is absolutely stunning. So I can definitely tell you can use this on your inner corner. I'm not going to swatch it because I would rather pass this along to someone else. I have my Charlotte Tilbury, which is under bed now. But I'm going to swatch this one. So this is automatic and this is a kohl pencil in the shade Beach Bum. This is a kajal. And I have another one. Oh my god, I have so many swatches on my hand. It's not very, very creamy. So I don't know if this formula is that stiff. I might not be happy about this, but it's a nice color. Alright, so my thoughts about this Essence DIY Advent Calendar are that I love the fact that we have more diversity that we had in the previous Essence Advent Calendar, and we have more makeup, we have more good and diverse makeup. We have a lot of wearable lipsticks, we also have good eyeliners, we have a mascara. We are missing again a palette. Maybe this is the only downside that we get on this Advent Calendar, but other than that I think I can definitely give it a 9 out of 10 rating for this Essence Advent Calendar DIY for 2022. Now let me share with you what I got in the mystery bag, because it's just few things and I know that you are all curious. Here it's written one beauty bag for you. So we have a LOV glitter rose peel off mask. I had a concealer from this brand. I even didn't know they are still on the market because they disappeared a long time from my local drugstore. So again, I'm not going to open it, but this is a glitter rose peel off mask, 45 milliliters. And this mystery bag, they were guaranteeing you 40 euros worth of value for 15 euros what you paid, so it's more than double. Next we have a pair of lashes from the brand Lenny Lash, and they are 100% human hair. This is by Revolution and it's a Skin Kiss Golden Kiss highlighter. This is a huge pan and you have here written Skin Kiss Golden Kiss highlighter from Revolution. You have a big mirror, and I believe this might be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, the highlighter that it's in the same pan, similar with this. So I believe, I'm not sure. I Heart Revolution Flare in the shade Stellar. So I believe this is a gloss. I'm not going to open it again. It's sealed, it's completely sealed, so I'm going to pass it along to someone. Maybe I'll use it, I'm not sure. But I'm set for glosses for a moment, and I'm not a very big gloss person. Next we have a brush from the same brand that were the lashes, so from the Lenny Lash. That is very similar with mine from Refre, but I would say it's more flimsy. Whew. Those were some samples that I picked up, but the star of the show of this mystery bag was this Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette in the shade Prestige. This is very beautiful. It's like red burgundy with some gold shimmers. I would say that you have a good mix of shimmer and matte, or maybe not. You have only 3 matte and the rest are shimmers, but the matte shades are good, and for sure I'm going to use it. It's also sealed, so I'm not going to open it, especially because you are able to see the swatches. But yeah, for 15 euros, and I paid less because they were having the discount, I got my money worth for sure. But yeah, let me know what you think about the Essence Advent Calendar and what was your favorite product of today's video. So for those of you who are new here, hello, my name is Julia and I'm very happy to have you in my family. If you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and also set your notification because I have more Advent Calendar content to unbox here on this channel. So I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you very soon with another video.